Hi, Gishu family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bathandi bomgosi. Uyavutha kwa The Real Housewives of Durban. At this point, ngathi nje sodinga nje iqima mlilo zoyehlisa loya mlilo sovutha ngale. Not Minintuli telling Londi London at her face ukuthi yena she works on her feet and Londi works on her back. But those words they came out of nowhere during their luxury swimwear party, whereby an alteration between Ulondi London and Umini started. There was definitely no need for Umini to go that far, but because Haibo, how did she even arrive? Because people were indeed shocked. Others they're saying that Umini she's just intimidated by Ulondi London. She fears or she envies Ulondi London. Others they're saying that how is she on the show if she's there bragging about place slips? Does she even know who Londi London is? Because others they said that Londi London owns one of the best hair brands in Mzansi and she has been in the music industry for a very long time, releasing bangers after bangers. Haibo and Batani Bomkosi, to our surprise, this past weekend, ever since Minintuli made such comments, people have been streaming Londi London's music and sharing it all over social media just to show who Londi is. People are showing massive support to Ulondi London and they're actually disputing what Minintuli stated about Ulondi London. She works on her back. Alleged. Woo! I was not expecting this at all. But at this current moment in time, it looks like Uminintuli just promoted Ulondi London once more without her knowing that she is doing that. Because people are now streaming Londi London's music and they are definitely buying Londi London's hair brand like crazy because they want to show her who Londi London is. Others they're saying that tomorrow during her show on Igagasi FM, they are definitely going to keep on requesting Ingoma Zaga Londi London. I cannot wait for that to happen because because everyone is asking that. Even Londi herself, she's confused. She wants to know what is the beef between her and Umismini because they have been fighting for a very long time. During some episodes, there's a point whereby Mini was speaking to the twins and then she stated that Ulondi she is dead to her just like her dead ex. How? Mini? This shows that there is something that Londi London and Minintuli they're fighting for. And at this current point, it's only Mino Azio. And we cannot wait to hear and find out. But say, is this the reason why Unonko decided to leave? Because I believe the drama in that girls group, it is beyond. It is beyond. So please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.